A working executive program enables you to pursue a formal management education while continuing with your job, which may not be possible in full-time programs. Or not always our situations permit us to leave our jobs and pursue a formal management education. Not always we desire to do that. So in that case, this is a program which suits the needs of such participants. Also, this program helps the participants in their career acceleration because they are already into jobs. They understand what domains they are working in. They understand what functions they need to be responsible for. They also have a very clear idea where they want to go ahead in future. And therefore, this program helps the participants in not only accelerating their career, but also in enabling them to perform their current roles with more efficiency, since there is a huge disruption and the business environment is constantly changing. So the program supports the participants to work more efficiently and to grow in their respective careers. The program also helps the participants to connect with the huge alumni base of IMT Ghaziabad. Since this program itself is a very old program, as mentioned, it started in 1981. So even the working executives alumni space is huge, the alumni base is huge. And many of our alumni who graduated from this program are working in very senior positions in the organization. So the program helps you to network with these alumni, also helps you to network with your participant cohort. And that is a huge gain from the program. Also, the program enables you to create a work-life balance because the classes in this program are held in alternate weekend mode. So IMT Ghaziabad was probably the first institute to appreciate that working professionals also need to manage their personal life. So they actually are sailing on three boats. One is their professional space, one is their academic space, and one is their personal space. And therefore, expecting them to come over every week to take classes was kind of too much of expectation from them. And therefore, the program offers classes in the alternate weekend mode generally, enabling the participants to also spend time with their family without getting stressed, also continue their desire to earn a management degree or diploma, and alongside work for their respective organizations. And that is the reason why this program is possibly the most suitable program for working executives.